In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your rear outside parking assist sensor on your Audi Q5, located in the rear corner of your bumper. Above the muffler, on the inside of your bumper, you will see your outside parking assist sensor. If you look on the inside of the connector, you will see that there is a tab. Pushing this tab down will allow for you to pry and pull the connector out. Put that to the side, get out of your way. As you can see, we have two tabs holding down our sensor. One at the top and one at the bottom. These are more pull tabs than push tabs. We will need to pull our tab down and pull this one upwards while we try to pry the outside of the sensor. That way we will be able to push it out. The way you just see me do it, I actually pushed it from the outside inwards while I was prying on the tabs. That way I could catch it with the other hand. Now for the orientation of how to put the sensor back in. You will see that your sensor has a designated area for where the plug is supposed to go. This level notch is to be able to slide right over this clip that is sticking outwards. Put it in the proper orientation. You will hear the audible click. And simply reconnect it. And there it is, our brand new parking sensor. As you can see, there is a bit of damage on the outside of this bumper. That's typically going to be the reason why you would want to replace these. Now to replace any of the other sensors, you're going to repeat the same process. Almost every parking sensor is pretty visible from the bottom of the bumper. Now to your discretion, before installing, you can always get them paint matched for the color of your vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.